Last video, we learnt types of cough. Now we will learn type of cough syrups. And they are generally divided based on their main action into 6 types and in which type of cough they are used for. 1. Expectorants purpose, help loosen mucus and make it easier to cough up. Best for wet productive cough with phlegm. Common ingredient, guaifenesin. 2. Suppressants, antitussives. Purpose, reduce the cough reflex and quiet the cough. Best for dry, irritating, non-productive cough. Common ingredient, dextromethorphan, non-narcotic. Codeine, narcotic, prescription only. 3. Antihistamine-based purpose, reduce cough caused by allergies, post-nasal drip, or colds by blocking histamine. Best for dry cough with sneezing, runny nose, watery eyes. Examples: diphenhydramine, chlorpheniramine. 4. Decongestant-based purpose, relieve cough due to nasal or chest congestion by shrinking swollen nasal passages. Best for cough from colds, sinusitis, or allergies. Common ingredient, pseudoephedrine, phenylephrine. 5. Combination cough syrups. Contain a mix of expectorant plus suppressant plus antihistamine plus decongestant depending on the brand. Best for mixed symptoms, phlegm plus nasal congestion plus nighttime cough. 6. Herbal natural syrups. Ingredients: honey, ivy leaf extract, licorice, tulsi, holy basil, ginger, thyme. Best for mild cough, throat irritation. Important: not all cough syrups are safe for children under 6 years. Some, like codeine-based, require a doctor's prescription. Choosing the right type depends on whether the cough is dry or wet, and the underlying cause. Next, we will learn what to use when keep following, like